Okay, Mr. Shepard, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. I represent Lexi and Steve in this matter, the competent and happily married parents of the child in question. Honor, I'm going to be completely blunt, and I'm sorry for wasting your time because this case shouldn't have even been brought to the courts. The petitioner in question, Miss Shelly, she filed upon a falsehood of accusations claiming that my clients were separating, but that is very untrue. Her actions are not about what's best for the well-being of this child, this newborn. It's about control, manipulation, and retaliation. I plan on keeping this short, Your Honor. The facts speak for themselves.
I object. This is all for the well-being of my grandchild.
Miss Shelley, I'm going to ask you to sit down. Do not interrupt him. Go on, counsel.
As I was saying, Judge, again, the facts speak for themselves. We believe that you will be led to the conclusion that this petition should be dropped with prejudice, and our client should be awarded legal fees for having to respond knowingly the frivolous filing.
Thank you, counsel. Miss Shelley, in your petition, you claim that the parents are separated, correct?
Yes, Your Honor. Well, that's because I believe that that's where this marriage is heading, is separation. And I just want to, get ahead of it. One time, my son asked if he could come stay the night at my house because they had a disagreement. If that's not signs for someone heading straight to a separation, then I don't know what is.
Okay, but they're not separated. Legally, they are not separated, correct?
Well, I mean, they're emotionally not on the same page sometimes. So I can tell when someone's heading for separation and divorce. So I put in my good faith that I know that this is where it's heading.
Okay, so from what I'm hearing is that they are legally not separated, and that what you put on the piece of paper was a lie.
Your Honor, if I may, as you could tell, my clients are married and they are still legally together. They are even living together. There is no signs of them separating now or either in the future. We have provided all documentation in our response.
Miss Shelley, are you asking the court to just look past the complete blatant lie that you've made that the parents are separated? There is documentation in their response claiming and showing that they are happily married.
Well, I mean, if you want to go with technicalities, yes, they are still legally married. But emotionally, I just know what's best for my son and what's best for my grandchild.
Miss Shelley, I want you to realize that the court does not run on, well, I know what's best for my son and I know what's going on, because you have no documentation. What you have done is you filed under perjury. You knowingly provided false documentation to get what you want. I hope you're aware that perjury is a serious offense.
Well, I was just trying to do what was best for my son and my grandchild. I truly believe that my daughter-in-law has brainwashed them. I'm not going to get in trouble, right?